By the end of the week, getting towards up to operation time, I was basically almost in tears with the pain. It was starting to really get me down when I was going up and down ladders, depending on the job I was doing and things. As with now, the pain, compared to that, nothing now. And as I say, it's getting better and better. The first day, back in bed. The next day, they got me out of bed on this walking frame, which is a bit like a Zimmer frame had big padded cushions where you basically had your weight on your elbows. Slowly getting that walking motion a little bit. Then the following day after that, I did that again in the morning, and then they brought the aluminium Zimmer frame in. So I was on the Zimmer frame and actually taking steps, and from then, I suppose you get the headspace of the actual walking. Okay, yes, I can do this. And then after that, I was on the crutches, and then up and down I was walking as much as I can because of the boredom in the hospital, basically. The first 3 weeks are pretty ordinary. You feel yuck, you're taking drugs, you just feel foggy. After that, it starts to get better. Probably about week 5, I turned the corner. I was, lot less pain, able to walk without limping too much, off the crutches and things like that. And it was good. Yeah, I'm 7 weeks into it now. Getting better day by day, week by week. I should have done it ages ago. Should have done it probably about three or 4 years ago at least, I think.